What is up, guys? It is your boy Dominic from MDP Auto, and in today's video we're going to update this beautiful 2004 X3 into CarPlay. We've been messing around a little bit, the idea, how to do it, watching a bunch of people online doing it, and they're just making it way more complicated than it needs to be. Okay, we're in the 21st century. It's 2025. Technology is all around us. Let's make everything as wireless as possible. This is just some cheapo Temu. I didn't even think it's Temu. Might be Temu. Little Apple CarPlay with a front camera on it. We're gonna mount this thing somewhat like yay. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to pop your vent covers off. You're gonna need one of these. They're usually blue colored, but whatever color they are. You're gonna slide it under here. If I could get it under here. You're gonna pop it out. You're gonna have two Phillips right here. 1, 2. You're gonna take that off. That's gonna take off this lower section and this top cover right here. One. Two. Beautiful. Make sure you don't break any of this. Seems important. You're going to disconnect this. Meanwhile, we're not disconnecting all this stuff to connect other stuff. The only reason we're doing that is to run the power wire on this thing. This is the only wire that's going to be plugged into this thing. So this comes with USB-C to a DC wire adapter. I'm not going to go crazy with this install. This is just for me up front. I could slip this bad boy down in yonder. Actually, it might be easier to go the other way around. But we're going to feed this wire through the radio in the back down here, down through here. So then we can run the wire back here into the outlet back there. We'll plug that in. That'll allow this to have power. So let's get to that. All right, so we ran the wire from under here. We used this, we used a flathead, some tape, tied it off on here, jammed it underneath, grabbed it with the other hand, pulled it up and out, ran it through here. So now the wire runs in behind the actual radio and the vents and everything right here. This is obviously way more wire than we need, but this is just so we know we have enough. So now I'm going to just reinstall this, put these two screws in. We have our power wire right here, which is going to run to the back over there. So let me install this real quick, and I'll show you guys the next step. So now I'm just going to try to figure out the placement of this, where I kind of want it. Obviously, I don't want too much wire hanging out and doing whatever, and I do want to be able to reach it without having to lean forward so much. So I'm thinking somewhere around yay would be nice. This does come with these, but we're going to brainstorm a little bit. And we're going to see if maybe possibly we can install this without having to do with any of these. So bear with us one sec. We said, for the sake of the video, keeping this nice and short, we're just going to use some 3M, good old 3M tape. With the included bracket. I'm just going to toss this on there. Alright, we got some 3M tape on this bad girl. Just going to try to center her best I can. Good enough. Then we're going to plug the power wire in. That easy. I will pull the slack out here. Unnecessary. I'm going to go ahead, clip this in. Nice and easy. I'll tighten this little knob in the back so she's not moving around so much. little better. But, yo, it's a 2004 BMW X3. It's as good as it's going to get, you know? Depending on which one or which unit you get, I'll see if I can find a link for this one and put it down in the description for you guys. But if I don't, depending on which ones you get, depends on your settings here. Then the biggest piece to the puzzle, so you don't have to run any aux cords or anything. You gotta get one of these bad boys. I recommend the Monster. You get these at Walmart for, I don't know, like 20 bucks. This prevents you from having to do any crazy wiring in the back, because I see people splicing into stuff and doing all this crazy nonsense. And at the same time, you have to run another aux cord off of this guy back into there. More wires, more headache. Doesn't look so good. This one wire, at least maybe you can deal with. Plug this bad boy in here. Easy. Then all you do is you grab your phone. You connect your phone to the CarPlay here, and then you connect your Bluetooth to there. Everything works dandy. So real quick, we'll connect here. So now Apple CarPlay is here. Now I'm going to connect to the Monster. I'm connected to the Monster. Just going to key on for now. We'll go to Spotify, press play. Make sure you're on the correct frequency. Easy. I can pause on my phone. I could go over here, go to Spotify, do my thing. Oh, I want to hear Peter Berg on the brand new Joe Rogan podcast. Let's listen to that one.
The Joe Rogan Experience.
Awesome. Super simple. Super easy. Anyone can do this. And it's not too bad of a look. I've seen way worse and way more wires everywhere and everything. This is way cleaner. And it's a quick, easy install. Anyone can do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's Dominic with MDP Auto. That's going to conclude this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Make your dreams possible, boys. Peace.